What's up guys, in today's video we'll be reviewing OANDA broker to determine if it's worth using. So, OANDA is a well-established Forex and CFD broker known for the transparency, robust platform, and excellent customer service. So let's explore the pros and cons to help you decide if it suits your trading needs. So, OANDA is globally recognized and regulated by reputable financial authorities, including the FCA in the UK and the NFA in the US. This regulation offers peace of mind knowing that your funds are protected. OANDA prioritizes transparency, providing detailed information about spreads and fees, which help you make informed trading decisions. The powerful fxTrade platform, alongside the popular MetaTrader 4, supports various trading styles with advanced charting tools and indicators. OANDA also features automated trading capabilities through APIs and real-time market data. While not the lowest in the market, their competitive spreads and consistent pricing are advantages. Customer support is available 24/7 through live chat and phone in multiple languages. Additionally, they offer educational resources like webinars and tutorials for both novice and experienced traders. However, OANDA mainly focuses on Forex and CDFs. They have limited range of stocks and ETFs, and the minimum deposit for a standard account might be higher than some competitors. Although they do provide practice account with lower minimum deposit, OANDA lacks direct cryptocurrency trading. Their mobile app, while functional, may not offer all the advanced features of the desktop version. In summary, OANDA is a solid choice for experienced traders seeking a secure environment and robust features. However, beginners with limited budgets or those seeking wider array of investment options may find other brokers more suitable. Ultimately, your choice should align with your trading style and goals. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you on another video. Bye bye.